Yes, this is part two of the video I made about what Very Dark Man was advising Mr. President to do, to bring the Nigerian youth to China. This is just the part two of it. Like I was saying in that video, because of time, I couldn't complete. In fact, I needed up to 1 hour to speak. You see, that idea it would have been a better idea if we are not our youth are not tech savvy. But good a thing that Nigerian youths are already tech savvy. They are smart in anything you put them. Let me tell you, Very Dark Man, it is very simple. I think you don't understand Nigerian leaders and these rulers. Do you know that Nigeria is ruled by cabals? As you are thinking that Mr. President can do this, he cannot do nothing. Abdul Salami is there. Babangida is there. Gowon is there. Obasanjo is there. What makes you think that they are having closed door meeting every time? Have you asked yourself, what are these people discussing? You talk about CNG. You talk about electric cars. Where will you charge your electric cars? You are not thinking of that. First of all, Nigeria can boast of 10,000 megawatts. South Africa is going to 100,000 megawatts. Non-stop, they have electricity. And you are here talking about China. Have you not been to South Africa? Take Nigerians, 5,000 youth, and send them to South Africa. No one will come back. None will come back. And anyone that goes back is stupid. Let me use that word. Anyone who goes back is stupid. Where will you go back? To a system that is very porous, a system that don't want to work. Let me not just say that it's not working. The system does not want to work at all. It does not want to work. Army is corrupt. Police is corrupt. Navy is corrupt. Road safety is corrupt. Air Force is corrupt. In fact, go to Nigerian military now. They bring people from bush and put in the military. People who never went. Me, 1993, I was in Nigerian Defense Academy. In the camp, they asked us to bring letter from our referees. I could not bring my own because my referee was in sabbatical leave. That was how I was kicked out. Is that supposed to happen? 2006, I took an entrance. After going to university, after finishing from university, I took an entrance, Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria. We were to work in farm. I was number 25 the whole Nigeria. Do you know, at the end of the day, from my state, I was number 5. Do you know till this moment, names published in Guardian, in Punch, in all the Concord and everything. Do you know till today, I didn't work there. I called one of the directors, one director from Imo State. He told me, brother, as he was speaking with me, he said that Babangida list just came in, Obasanjo list just came in, Gowon list just came in. These are people that never even knew that something like that was going on. Me, that took my time. I slept in the field. Is it in Enugu or Port Harcourt? We went for the exam. After everything, I was not taken. That was when I concluded that Nigeria is a bunkum and rubbish. Yes, I have my big experience. Too much experience about Nigeria. What do you want me to do? To go and start to fight them or to do what? I arranged myself and left the stupid place. I left. There is nothing you're going to tell me. The people ruling Nigeria don't want Nigeria to succeed. Do you know why? Do you know why that Nigeria is like this? Only because of that oil they are taking from the east, from Edo down. If you remove that oil, that crude oil, Nigeria will be fine. But because of that crude oil, they sat on it and decide based on the oil. That is the only thing Nigeria produces. Nigeria don't have anything. Nigeria is not producing toothpick. The cabals, they sat down and think of who is going to be the governor of Lagos State. Like now they are presenting Sheyi Tinubu. And you are talking about Sheyi Tinubu. They want to force him to Lagos State. Tinubu also want to be president in 2027. Have you asked yourself, these guys don't think about election. They just want to fix who they want. That is it. Last election, you saw what happened. Someone who won Lagos State and won Abuja did not win the election. Is that correct? That is wrong. Even the ones they said they won was rigged. Still, what happened? Nothing happened. Do you get the point? So when you are telling people to bring 5,000 youth and send them to China, what is happening in China? China has electricity, and with electricity you can do a lot. So what you should be talking, policies and infrastructures. If the infrastructures are intact, you will see how people will perform. But with all these things we are talking, these guys do what they want. If you make a video that affects them, they will go and arrest you. Are they supposed to arrest you? When you are telling them that they are doing the wrong thing, are they supposed to arrest you? No, they are not supposed. What they're supposed to do is to make correction. But they will feel that you are attacking them. That is why they are watching you, because you are not attacking them. If you are attacking them, very dark man, if you are attacking these guys, they would have arrested you. But they are watching you. Because 2027 is almost very close, so they are watching and taking their time to see what your reaction will be. That is why I said, and you're already talking about introducing youth to them. Very soon they will approach you. If they get you inside, you will shut up your mouth. You won't be talking anymore. So this is what is going to happen. They are already on planning for you, but you don't know. You think you are talking, moving up and down, they leave you. Not because you are powerful, not because you have juju, not because you have God. It's because you are not their problem. If it were to be an Igbo man who has been doing the way you are doing, they would have put one allegation on his head. Is it not those people doing Biafra? Or they say it's an IPOP person. They would have arrested you since. You understand? But they left you to be talking. After all, you are recovering money from one or two people, and the people are happy that you are doing that. They keep quiet, watching you to pass your boundary. That is what they are doing. So let me tell you, the idea of sending people to abroad is not the issue. Let them create infrastructures. Do you understand? If you send anybody to, for example, Germany, and when you get there, are you telling me that when you finish that scheme, they're going to bring you there and you have an opportunity to earn 5,000 euro and you leave it to go to Nigeria to earn 1 million naira? Is it possible? It is not going to be possible. Tell yourself the truth, bro. If you are in China, you are capable of grabbing a product and you are sending it home while you are there, and your product will be selling. You understand? You hold a particular product intact, and you are pushing it to your father, your family, your friends, and they are selling, putting millions in your account. Bro, you are going nowhere. And if anybody is deceiving you that the 5 cents, I want to challenge you. Show me one Niger Delta guy that was sent out under amnesty program that came back. None will come back. Because there is peace. Even though there is suffering outside, I'm going to make that video separate. There is suffering in abroad. It's not easy, right? But it is better than Nigeria. It is better to suffer in abroad than to suffer in Nigeria, because Nigerian suffering is to the highest level. Nobody will help you. None will help you. And even when you work, the money that is involved is not going to solve much problem. But if you suffer yourself, for example, in Germany, and you earn 3,000 to 4,000 euro, bro, the exchange is big. It's close to 6 million. And you can do a lot with it. A month. Do you understand? My brother, are you going to accept where they're giving you 1 million to where they're giving you 6 million? Which one will you take? Anyone in your comment section among your fans who thinks that I'm saying nonsense or what I'm saying is not correct should prove me wrong. And tell me where you're living in abroad that you haven't gone home. Because anywhere you're living in abroad and you're earning, even if it is $1,000, it's better than going to Nigeria, no light, no road, accidents, no security, no nothing. Everything is not working in Nigeria. Tell yourself the truth, bro. Come up, man.